That's why I always see Bob walking. Wait, is it recording?
Yeah, it's recording. Move, Chelsea. Mason has to be in the picture. Hi, Lindsay! I gotta make a burping contest. Gotta go. Okay, go. It runs in the family, y'all. Ready? It works way better with my Kool-Aid. No drinks. Why would you use my hat to do that?
It's your hat. It hurt.
Sound like a fart.
Alright.
Get over. So you can actually see you.
Whose turn is it?
Yours.
Oh.
Well, no, I should have another turn because you did twice.
Let somebody go.
You're yelling. Okay. Scoot over.
Make it. Where is that? Dang. It's like loud, quiet, loud.
My face makes a funny, like...
Dang. That hurt.
I know. Gotta take a little break. Okay, hold up. He just took my turn. That's not fair.
You got
Go
twice in a
on.
row. No, she already got twice in a row. It hurt really bad.
What'd you say?
Suck this.
You said suck this, and I was like... Okay.
Don't mess up.
Dang.
Okay.
No one can beat...
Go. Blow a kiss. You're like,
Oh, that was a fail.
This thing's almost been like 5 minutes.
Go.
Mason, do that. Do this thing. Mason.
What?
You can't do it like me. I'm sorry. That's inappropriate. Okay, go.
That was a fail.
It smelled like nasty pop or something. Finale, right?
And then you gotta do a finale with difference. You go first and then he goes. This is the final. But you suck. You do it slow. Build the boat.
Vote! Comment! Do whatever.
Names are Mason and Marissa.
Yeah, try and figure out who won the burping contest. This
'Cause
is my
we-
little bro, Mason Berry.
Because we really don't know.
We really... What? My
Let's go.
name is Marissa Berry! Duh!
So we
pick
video
who win.
video responses
Very
and
good.
comments on the bottom to see who wins.
Definitely.
Bye.
Bye. And we're posting this on Facebook. Like right now when I'm done talking to you. And there. Yeah, so.
Need
Peace. Bye.